It's May 15th, Friday. Made it to the end of the week. So you're here with Chico on your call options trading. And the market is going down a little bit here. Consumer sentiment is kind of just been reported today, and it's kind of on the low side. But hey, no surprise about that. So yeah, given all the tariffs and all that stuff, people are having lower positive sentiment. Now let's talk about what us are in our situation. The CAVA group. That's what we made a play for yesterday. And you can see here, it's down 5% as we speak. And basically, they had a good quarter in their earnings release yesterday, and they did express some uncertainty in moving forward. But overall, they had a good quarter, and outlook is steady. But I guess the the Wall Street is was looking for a little bit more for their outlook. They did beat expectations. They beat on revenue. So revenue here is 328 million, increased 28% year over year, and then the net income is 25 million. So that was like 83% increase over the first quarter of 2024. So really good numbers. And for the full year outlook, they're gonna open two more restaurants than they were previously anticipating. But this is a expensive stock. It's almost $11 billion stock, and so I guess Wall Street wanted more from them to justify for further upside on the price of their stock. But so that was actually good news for us, because we were betting against them not having so much upside after earnings, and we sold 3 contracts yesterday before the closing bell at $2.21 each contract, strike price of 107. So we're nowhere close to the strike price now, and they're worth 2 cents a contract, and our profit right now as we stand at 2 cents is $657. So I think we just let this go into expiration, and we should profit $659. You can buy to close now if you want. If you have a cover call, or whatever, you want to make sure it doesn't go to get assigned. But I mean, it's really well off the mark to be in the money, and but it's good practice. So yeah, we'll just let it go to expiration, and hopefully likely to profit off the complete premium at $659 for all 3 contracts, and then yeah, this week we got torched by Tesla. So I think this kind of brings us maybe a little bit ahead this week, but overall it's really kind of like kind of a break-even week. But we did have a record week last week, so that was pretty nice. And this week, yeah, we got off to unexpected bad start, and then with this CAVA play, we've have likely to recoup it all. Okay, that's it for today. Have a weekly recap, and later on in another video. But I hunted also. Yeah, I did hunt around for another play today, and I don't really see anything that's worth the risk to reward ratio here. So we'll just leave it at that for this week. All right, you have a good Friday. Thank you.